Okay. So I'll read the problem. Find the probability that at least 5 defective pens will be found in a box of 200 pens if 2% of the pens are defective. So I was saying this is a binomial distribution because there are two outcomes possible. There are two outcomes possible. Two outcomes possible. One is defective pen and two is not defective pen. We know number of trials n. So n is your number of trials. Is the box contains 200 pens. Okay, and P in this case we'll think of it as probability of success. This is probability of success. Probability of success. Here success, that is to find, that is the probability of a defective pen. Probability of a defective probability of a defective pen is equal to 0.022%. 2% is 0.02. And then we have, what do we have? So we want to find out the probability that at least 5, that means 5 is the lowest number. 5 and above. And above means from 5 we go up to 200. Okay, this is the symbol for at least 5. Now we have to think about the probability of complement event and use the law of probability of complement events. Complement events. So it says, this law states that probability of event A is 1 minus probability of complement of A, where AC is the event, complement. Complement means opposite, does not contain a complement of the event A. So in this case, the complement of, if we want to find the complement of complement event to the event greater equal to 5, okay, is the event less than 5. Okay, so P, so X greater equal to 5 is complement to the event X less than 5. Okay, so therefore probability, so I create some more space. Create some more space here. Color the pen. So probability of X greater equal to 5 is 1 minus probability of the complement event, which is x less than 5. Okay, or it is 1 minus probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4. So probability of at least, so probability of at least 5 is equal to 1 minus sum of these probability of x equal to 0 plus probability x equal to 1 plus probability x equal to 2 plus probability x equal to 3 plus probability x equal to 4. And we stop at 4 because we are including 5 in at least 5. So the complement to x greater or equal to 5 is x less than 5, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So why do we add these probabilities? Because these are mutually exclusive events. So if we want to find probability of x equal to 0 or x equal to 1 or x equal to 2 or x equal to 3 or x equal to 4, by general rule of addition of probability of events which are exclusive events, we add the probabilities. So it is probability of 0 plus probability of 1 plus probability of 2 plus probability of 3 plus probability of 4. So that is equal to 1 minus. Now in TI-84, there is a function called the second. So you press the second key and then the worst key, and then scroll down to binomial CDF. C stands for cumulative. It means starting from 0, we add up to a certain number to get the total probability. Here, we are starting from 0 and add up to 4 to get the cumulative probability of the complement events. So the way we do it in the calculator is 1 minus second worst scroll. So it's 1, then minus second worst, scroll down to binomial CDF. Why CDF? Because we are adding, C stands for cumulative, starting from 0 up to 4 we are going to add. So when we see binomial CDF, we hit enter, okay? And then we enter the following information. Trials, so it is binomial CDF, right? Trials, let me clear that and write it carefully so that there is no mistake in understanding. So binomial CDF, okay, and then we have trials, which is we are having 200. Remember, n is 200, okay, and probability of success of finding a defective is 0.02, and we want to add up to 4. Okay, so n is 200 number of trials because we have 200 pens in the box. Probability of finding a defective pen is 0.02, and we are adding from 0 to 4. So the last number is 4. So trials is 200, P is 0.02, and we are adding up to 4. Then we paste, enter, and enter. And the answer for probability at least 5 is equal to 0.371115 or 0.3712. So quite high probability of finding at least 5, that is minimum 5 and above, defective pen. Okay, so the hint or the tip I want to give is that when we have to find at least some event, 5, 6, remember we have to use the law of complement event, probability of complement event, because at least is, in this case, 5 and above. the complement event is less than 5, which means we have to add the probability of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, because all of them are less than 5. Okay, and we can use the binomial CDF function in TI-84 calculator to easily accomplish this. I will stop here today. If you have any question, comment, you can always write me a note. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you like this video, please share with your friend. And you and your friends, please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. I'll be back next time with another interesting problem, interesting solution. Please do not miss my presentation, because I'm coming back almost every other day, or every day actually, to solve a new problem. Thanks for watching. Take care. Have a nice day.